I sit and stare at a blank page, wondering where the next word will come from. I have no notion of what may draw it out. So some days, the void of the page stares back at me as I stare into it, and wonder who will blink first. But it is always me, for I draw forth an ancient trusty sword. I close my eyes and find my center. I recall the green grass days of summer, the calm call of the rolling waters, the fierce but uplifting roar of winds. I draw these things together, reliving experience, and pour them out from the chalice I have filled. The voice of creativity flows from nature, and my memory of that nature bottles it up, that others may drink as well.